magandang hapon, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Sa ngayon, inire-ready ko po. Magluluto po ako ng crispy pata na binili po namin to sa Asian market. And one pata is $10.46. Ito, $10.72. At itong medyo, para-parehas naman pala, Papa. It's almost the same, $11.
$500.
Yeah.
50?
So, what I'm gonna do for today, because dahil wala kaming makitang fresh, binili namin ang frozen. So, I'm gonna wash and boil it. Itatapon ko muna yung first boil and saka ko siya rirekaduhan. That's it. Bumili din kami ng kaldero. Kaldero aluminum. You know how much it is? It's $34. Ito.
Maybe 1.5.
Ewan ko kung magkano sa computation ng peso. And I have another one in here kasi hindi kasya yung tatlong pata. Dadalhin kasi namin to sa camping, sa campground. So, kailangan i-boil ko muna para ipa-fry na lang padating doon. And,
What's this?
Just ignore this one because I'm cooking the OB jam. Minsan-minsan meron din kaming dessert.
No separate video?
No separate video. So, next time, i-video ko siya. Okay, that's it. I will just prepare this one for now. So, frozen ko po siya. Probably mahirapan akong slicein kasi frozen nga.
You gotta let it melt.
Yeah, I have to
Yeah, maybe you damaged my nice knife.
let it melt for a while. Yeah.
Maybe we could buy this fresh at like Mexican market.
Maybe, yeah.
What's the purpose of that?
Para yung flavor niya pumasok sa loob pa. Inilaga ko siya.
Madam, what's your opinion of having the kitchen in like white people house? You have your kitchen in your living room and sitting room.
Hindi maganda. Wala kasi akong outdoor kitchen, yung dirty kitchen natin sa Pilipinas. So, hindi maganda. Hindi ako makapag-pride dito sa loob. Kaya ang gagawin namin, we'll take this one to the campground. Doon namin siya lulutuin.
The jungle.
Sa junk.
Yeah, I don't want to cook crispy pata in here and like, here's our sitting room.
American are different.
Yeah, I don't like it. I'm American and I don't like it. I think the kitchen should be in separate room. What now?
I'm gonna throw the water.
Oh, dangerous.
Yeah. I clean the sink. Anyway.
Tagalog.
Binras ko na po yung sink para mas malinis.
Uy. Just dump it in.
Yeah. Tinapon ko yung unang kulo.
Alright, so we took him off the stove from boiling. Now she's washing a little bit.
Okay. And this time, kasi malambot na siyang kaunti, hindi naman talagang nalagyan ko siya ng hiwa dito para mas madali siyang
Oh, it goes deep now.
but still bloody.
Does that mean it's good or?
Yeah. It's not really boiled like. Para yung flavor niya pumasok sa loob.
Today we have a special video guest, world famous blogger Christian Bertuccio.
Oh, that's my son.
Oh, up here they put it too. That makes it bend good.
Yeah.
And you cut it up at the top.
Maybe you have to cut it there.
Yeah. Right
Yan.
there. Yeah.
Good,
that's a
good,
lot
good.
better up there.
So now, I'm gonna add seasoning now. Ito na yung pagluluto na para magkaroon ng lasa.
I think you have to put some water.
I have to put water. Sure.
Joking.
Alam mo naman yung husband ko masyadong.
So serious.
Okay. Wala akong whole black pepper. So, ito na lang ang ilalagay ko. Ito ay Italian spice. Patis para mas malasa siya. Patis ang ginagamit ko. Konting suka para hindi siya mapanis kahit ilang
Oh, we have the guest celebrity chef, Christian Ratusha.
That's for tonight.
So, for the water, I'm just gonna let it boil.
Is it on?
Like, slow cooking lang for 1 to 2 hours.
Wow, you got all 3 in there.
Okay, that's it. Cover it.
Okay.
Let it boil.
It's 7 o'clock right now. It's all around 9.
Yeah. Ayan, so kailangan kong dagdagan ng tubig. Kasi kita nyo, nag-expand yung karne. Parang habang lumalambot siya, umaalsa. Kaya dadagdagan ko ng tubig. Kasi kanina, ito kasya lang sa isang kaldero. Ngayon, hindi ko na siya mai-push. Umalsa ang karne. So, it's almost 1.5 hour ko nang niluluto.
Yeah, we took it out to turn, but we couldn't put it back in. It doesn't fit anymore. Expanded.
Yeah. Kaya nagpapakulo ako ng tubig para
Add water already.
Para idagdag. Para mas malambot siya.
Another half hour. I added more spices too, just because I added more water. So.
Yeah, maybe added also salt.
I did. I added salt and pepper.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
So we boiled for 2 hours and it's time to turn it off and drain it.
Did you stir it and mix it?
Yeah, I did. It's soft already. So exactly 2 hours.
Yeah.
We just drain the water and freeze it.
Okay.
That's it. So, hahanguin na namin. I-drain lang.
Look at the good sauce in there, though. I hate to throw that away.
Yeah.
All that soup. Wow, they really expanded.
Yep.
Wow, a lot of work to make crispy pepper, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Let it cool.
We eat it now?
Okay.
Alright, can
That's
we save
good.
that, you think? So here we are a few days later at the campground. Part 2 of the crispy pata recipe. We have a little grill, we have a bunch of firewood, so we're going to do Boondock style, I guess.
Yeah, Boondock style.
Oh, look where we are, out in the beautiful mountains, Rocky Mountains. It's May 23, but there's still snow up in the mountains.
Yeah, it's almost 5 p.m. pero
Yeah.
so sunny. Nagtatago ako sa init ng araw.
There. But anyways, this is a cooking video, not a camping video. So I'll start the fire. Okay, I had to put up a wall for Ate because we made a fire. I got the oil going. Holy shit! There's our oil. Ash is flying everywhere because of the wind. So we're getting really a boondock experience here. Crispy pata with dust and ash.
And sasabayan ko na rin ang luto ng mais at
Oh,
saka
yeah.
patatas.
That's a different recipe. Different recipe.
Okay.
Okay, everyone. Now's the moment you waited for. She's gonna put the frozen pata in the hot oil, or is it my job?
Maybe it's your job, Papa.
Ay, nako.
I'm afraid of that.
What a cooking video. How did I get into this? Sure, it's gonna make like
I'm sure.
Okay, here is the moment. Woo!
Good run. Good. I think there's only room for two.
Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. Okay.
This is my metal pata sticker. Metal bar. Oh, here comes the wind. Look at this shit. Dust flying everywhere. The ashes add flavor. Just a little bit. I don't want all the ashes. Oh, you don't get cooking videos like this on YouTube. We have emergency too. Her phone is dead. Filipino
It's really dead.
Filipino tragedy.
I cannot make a video on my own.
I feel sorry for that third one, but nothing I can do right now. Okay, the expert says it's done, so.
Look at it.
Looks crispy to me.
So crispy. Try it.
Oh, it's too hot.
So hot.
I can let it cool down a little bit. Yeah, it's perfect. Like, oh, you hear it go.
Yeah.
Oh, Miss Instagram here has to make vlogging while blogging. So, how do you grade it? Wow. Wow.
So crunchy. 10 over 10.
Wow, it's really good.
Tastes really delicious.
You feel better now from your phone dying?
Yeah.
No, go pa.
Ang sarap niya talaga, guys. Hindi matutumbasan ang aking pinaghirapang i-boil. Ang sarap talaga niya.
Okay, so here's the final result, and that's the end of our cooking video. All you need is a bunch of hungry bastoses to eat it all. Me and Ma are on diet, so we can only look.
Maybe we can eat only one pata.
Oh. So, see you next time. Oh, why is she moving my stuff? That's not how you cook it. It has to be in the coals. You're gonna burn up there. Ay, nako. Know everything.
Cooking time na naman. Ito ang aming fried na patatas. Ang paborito kong balong na prito. At asparagus. Ipa-fry din po namin. Para may kaulam yung aming ano.
But what about the crispy pata? Bastos ones.
Ang anak ko kasi gusto niya ng crispy pata, iuwi na lang namin. So magluluto kami ng panibagong pork chop. Ulam namin ngayong gabi.
And this is used cooking oil, not pee-pee.
Sa crispy pata po, yun yung ginamit naming oil. So once na bumalik kami sa bahay, bibili daw ang anak ko ng crispy pata na frozen again at lulutuin namin ulit.
Yeah.
So pagpunta namin sa park.
I think the potato is done.
Yeah, luto na.
Yeah.
Lagi ko nang ahunin pata.
Is it masarap?
Masarap papa.
She can't talk now. Busy.
It's masarap.
I gave her the bones because she likes to chew the bones.